In Keitha's Kitchen, and thank you all so much for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. We are going to now make our chocolate frosting. We're going to do homemade chocolate frosting. The water is boiling because we need really, really hot water. That's number one. So we're waiting for that. Water is in the pot behind me. Yeah, 1 stick of unsalted butter. You got your powdered sugar, your cocoa powder, your salt, and your vanilla flavor. And we got some hot water. Y'all, that's it. That's all we need. While we're waiting for that water, let's go ahead and start getting the ingredients together. I'm going to start with the powdered sugar, also referred to as confectioner's sugar. I may have to open a new bag. Let's see. Okay. I said 2 cups. Just a pinch more. 2 cups of sugar. All right, so that's our 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter. This has been sitting out. You want your butter to be room temperature, guys, so that it can easily mix with the mixture. Got some kosher salt. I believe this is only going to be, we're going to do 1 tablespoon. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of the kosher salt. Just get everything. Then the 2 cups of powdered sugar. So we got a whole stick of butter. Ooh, butter is in the bowl, y'all. I'm gonna do 4 cups, so let me do another. This is where all my sugar is going into this frosting. So we're doing a total of the confection or powdered sugar. We're doing 4 cups. 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna do 8 tablespoons of the cocoa powder. 4. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of the kosher salt. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of my vanilla extract. Oh, a little extra. It'll be all right. Yeah, I'm looking. You don't get very much for $7. This is only, what, 2 ounces of vanilla extract? Two ounces, and it's $7. Everything is so pricey now. All right, this water is super hot. Please be careful. I'm going to do 8 of these, guys. Be careful. That is very, very hot. Okay, now let's try to mix this up. Chocolate smells good. Now, just depending on the mixture, you may or may not have to add more hot water. We'll see. And just keep stirring until it gets to the right consistency. You want room temperature butter, not melted. So just take the butter out if you know you're planning on doing this recipe. Or work out. And if you have problems, oh, but it's so worth it at the end, y'all. Just gotta get that butter. My butter actually could have been just a tad bit softer, but we're gonna make it work. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit more hot water. Just a little. So you just have to eyeball it. All right. And get aggressive with it, y'all. Ugh, get in there. Ugh. Put everything into it. Put all those muscles into stirring your chocolate. Ugh. But also add love to the mixture. Because when you cook with love, everything comes out good. Look at that, y'all. Woo. Just a few simple ingredients. Now, when I experimented with this frosting, I was pleasantly surprised because it reminds me of how my grandmas used to make their cakes. You know how that frosting would get hard on your cakes? Their cakes, rather? Y'all, I mean, this is not that much work. It definitely is worth it. Give it a try. And when y'all try it, come back and let me know. Say, Keitha T, I tried it. It was fabulous. Absolutely delicious. It looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Thing. Ah. See, by adding just a little bit more of that hot water, it actually helped dissolve that butter. And that's how you make homemade chocolate frosting over here in Keitha's kitchen. Make you some.